Good morning, children. Today, in this fine morning, we will continue with the chapter the natural vegetation and wildlife. Even previous class, we had discussed about the grasslands. So here, the grasslands can be classified into two types. One is tropical grasslands, and second one is temperate grasslands. Tropical grassland generally can be identified near the tropics. Near the tropics. Such grasslands are called the tropical grasslands. Whereas temperate grasslands, these grasslands located in the mid-latitudes of the world. These temperate grasslands can be found mid-latitudes of the globe. So, previous class, we have witnessed the video of tropical grasslands where all the grasslands can be identified. So now, in this class, we will discuss about temperate grasslands. Temperate grasslands can be identified mid-latitudes of the globe. Here, we can see the grass grown in different regions according to the amount of rainfall. Some areas the grass grows up to 3 to 4 meters height. So the grasslands, here temperate grasslands, you can find the different continents of the world. Prairies in North America, pampas in South America, downs in Australia, steppes in Central Asia. So these temperate grasslands located in the different continents across the globe. Now let us see in the map also. The grasslands are known by different names in different regions. Pampas in Argentina, yes. Actually, Pampas in Argentina is a country. Argentina is a country. If they ask you the grasslands of South America, yes, you can say Pampas. Prairies, as you know, this is North America. Well, South Africa, steppes, Central Asia, and downs in Australia. This is very important question for your UPSC children. Listen very carefully. Even though now presently you are studying 7th standard, when you write this examination, UPSC examination, grassland is an important topic. Compulsorily there will be one question related to grasslands. So and so grasslands can be identified in the continent of so and so. So these name of the grasslands, either it is tropical grasslands or temperate grasslands, it should be on fingertips. So please write it, concentrate more regarding the grasslands. Prairies of North America, pampas of Argentina, steppes of Central Asia, downs in Australia. So these are all the temperate grasslands because most of these grasslands located mid-latitudes of the different continents of the world. Mid-latitudes of the different continents of the world. Clear? Let us proceed.
The temperate grasslands, Euphrates. Location: the temperate grasslands of North America, including the area of the United States, Canada, and Mexico, are known as prairies. It includes all the Great Plains and interior parts of the USA. It is a region of tall grass up to 2 meters high. Due to extension of grasses, it is known as ocean of grass. The prairies are bound by the Rocky Mountains in the west and the Great Lakes in the east. The area is drained by the tributaries of Mississippi, and Saskatchewan rivers in the USA and Canada respectively. Climate. The climate is of continental type. Summers are warm with temperature around 20 degrees Celsius, while winters are cold with temperature around minus 20 degrees Celsius. In winters, snow covers this region. The annual rainfall is moderate. A local wind, Chinook, blows in the interior west of North America. Flora and fauna. All the prairies are grassland, but plants like big blue stem grass, blue gramma grass, buffalo grass, fleabane, Indian grass, milkweed, purple coneflower, stinging nettle, willows, alders, and poplars are found in this region. The major crop of this area is maize. Other crops such as potatoes, soybean, cotton, and alfalfa are also grown. Grasses are suitable for cattle rearing. Large cattle farms called ranches are looked after by sturdy men called cowboys. Bison, or the American buffalo, is the most important animal of this region. It nearly got extinct due to its indiscriminate hunting. Now, it is a protected species. The other animals found in this region include American bald eagle, badger, bobcat, bumblebee, coyote, prairie dog, and swift fox. The people of this region are very hardworking. They have successfully harnessed technology and scientific methods of agriculture in one of the most fertile lands of the world. The use of modern tractors, harvesters, and combines has made the USA and Canada a surplus food producer. Therefore, this area is known as granaries of the world, dairy farming, and food processing. Chicken ranches, feedlots, and huge vegetable farms are major industries of this region. Prairies contribute sustainably to the wind power in the North America, availability of gold and iron, and the good network of roads and via railways have made it most important industrial regions in the world. The temperate grasslands, the prairies. Location: the temperate grasslands of North.
The common animals found in the temperate grasslands are wild buffaloes, bison, red kangaroo, and antelopes. Shrubs. The important characteristics of shrubs are They are grown in regions with low rainfall. They are small, thick, and covered with thick cuticles. Sometimes leaves are modified into spines. May have thin and fleshy leaves to store water. Found in dry, desert-like regions, rainfall scanty, high temperature. A scarce vegetation habitat adapted to survive arid environment. Have economical water management system, waxy covering over leaves. The common animals found in these regions are camels, lizards, kangaroo rat, tarantula, etc. Now let us know about tundra. The chief characteristics of the tundra regions are found in the polar regions. Lands are snow covered for most of the year. Receives less than 10 inch of precipitation. Temperature during winters is less than minus 35 degrees Celsius and ranges between 2 degrees Celsius to 13 degrees Celsius in the summers. Limited growth of natural vegetation. Small shrubs like mimosas, lions, etc. are found. Animals have thick fur to protect themselves from the cold. Polar bear, seal, walruses, musk oxen, reindeer, and caribou are found here. Let us explore the wildlife of the Arctic region with the help of the following animation.
The Arctic is a polar region located at the northernmost part of the Earth. The climate is cold, winters and summers. Summer season lasts just 2 months here. However, the short summers saw many animals and birds roaming in the Arctic region. Polar bears live only in the northern Arctic, where they spend most of their time on ice floes. They are the largest land meat eater in the world and the largest of the bear family. The melting mainland snow reveals bogs that draw thousands of winged wildfowl. These are snow geese. Snow geese are medium-sized moose that graze on the Arctic tundra. The snow moose travel south in very large, high-flying, noisy flocks. The Arctic Sea is also rich in food. There are birds that eat on fish that gather within thin shades of floating ice, and they nest on nearby land. Kittiwakes and guillemots are such birds in the Arctic. The Arctic foxes live here all year. They are well adapted for the cold, harsh weather of the Arctic. They began to search for food during summers. Ptarmigan, snow bunting, and snowy owls are some of the Arctic birds that live here year-round. Snowy owls live on the tundra. They are nocturnal, but during summers they can hunt in daylight too, as there is no night. Lemmings are small mouse-like animals that live in the Arctic tundra. In summer, they are brown, but in winter, they are all white. Lemmings are the favorite food of many Arctic animals like Arctic fox, snowy owls, and other predators. Another variety of foods here is barnacle geese, which are the migratory birds shared by Arctic and the UK. They avoid fox and fly nesting on inaccessible cliffs.
Children, just now you have witnessed the curves. Previously we have discussed about grasslands, that is tropical grasslands as well as temperate grasslands, where these grasslands can be identified in the different continents of the world and with their names. Thereafter, scurves. Scurves is a type of vegetation. It can be grown where the places receiving very low rainfall. So scurves are grown in the dry regions, particularly that is in tundra region. Just now we have seen the tundra region. It is tundra region means the polar regions. Polar region in the higher altitudes near the poles. Kind of life and what kind of animals can live in that region, just now you have witnessed. Is it clear? Next class will proceed. Thank you.